Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to enable picture-in-picture for YouTube using Safari. You don't need to install any shortcut script and it's quite straightforward. Apple did disable this before, but now they have enabled it and it's quite handy if you want to play YouTube videos in the background. So let's go ahead and open up your Safari browser, go to youtube.com, select a video and make sure it's playing in full screen. Single tap on the video and then tap on the picture-in-picture icon at the top left of the screen next to the X. This will enable the picture-in-picture mode, and now you can press the home button and move the screen anywhere you like. You can double tap on the video to change the size of the screen from large to small. If you still want to hear the video playing but you want to use other apps, you can drag the screen to the right or the left and it will hide to the side. To close the video, you can press the X at the top left of the video screen. To return back to the full screen, press the top right icon on the video screen. And there you go guys, this is how to enable picture-in-picture for YouTube using Safari. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you want to see more tutorials on iPhones and iPads, then please consider subscribing to this channel and leave a like. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.